welcome back to another Boxycharm premium box unboxing. This one is the April one. We're slowly but surely getting somewhere, guys. So this one at least has a little more products in it. The value isn't as high as some have been, but it's not terrible anyway. So we're gonna reach in no particular order and start pulling stuff out. So we have, what is this? By Mitchell and Peach, who I've never heard of before. English Leaf Body Oil. And this retails for $68, and it says, blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. Let's look at it. I've had face oils before. I'm not sure about body oils, at least in my adult life. As a kid, I used body oils like after baths at my grandma's house. I'm like, oh, I'm kind of having flashbacks to that. Oh, I want to smell it. Because most of hers were either French or English too, so this may smell like that. Pretty much just smells like the almond oil in there, but that's okay. Like, if it does what it claims to do, that's all I needed to do. Because you only need like a teeny tiny bit of like any type of body oil to like do everything. So you just gotta have a very light hand with it. Okay, next up, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, do I literally have one of this sitting right? I think I do. I do. So this is a dupe. My Beauty brand By Me collab. And it is their waterproof black liquid eyeliner with felt tip. I don't know if that one's waterproof, but it's black liquid eyeliner for sure. Okay, so this is $20. Your new holy grail product created for both the eyeliner expert and winged eye novice. The flexible felt tip combined with highly pigmented smudge-proof color guarantees a long-lasting and intensely defined look. But I definitely already have one. That's okay. That's okay. Black liner pens are always a good thing. Can always use more of those. Ooh, that's the Herbivore. I might do it. No, I don't think I have this actually. It's just a similar box. So by Herbivore we have the Boxycharm Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum, and this is $54. A naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and visibly fights the signs of aging without synthetics or irritating effects. Gentle enough for most sensitive skin types, Boxycharm supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effect. So that's always a good thing. Boxycharm is actually like a really, really good thing, and I'm like glad that more skincare brands are getting on board with it, because that stuff is really nice. Next, what is this? This is by Endota, and it's a hydrating lip balm. $25. Ouch. Protect your palate with this natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients. With a gorgeous glossy finish, this hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked and chapped lips and protect skin from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula, and vitamin E assist in visibly reviving delicate lips to keep them looking healthy and looking luscious, while cooling peppermint oil provides a hint of freshness. This versatile balm can also be used to help restore moisture to cuticles in areas that regularly experience dryness. Which is true of pretty much any lip balm. If, you're not into using it on your lips, you can always use them on other dry areas of your body. One exception, do not use it on your eyelids. I think that goes without saying. But pretty much anywhere else that gets dry, yeah, you can totally use lip balm, just as, a moisture stick type deal. Oh, that smells really good. I just wanted to smell it. So, okay. So we've got that I'm looking forward to. And I guess we have two more items here. Ooh, we have a Natasha Denona. I can tell just by the way just by the way it's packaged. And this is the Cupid Cheek Duo, which retails for $42. Oh my goodness. Look how cute and pink it is. I love that. So, a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formula or formulas. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips, meaning it's all you need for on-the-go glow. Let's see what colors we've got here. Ooh, okay, let me cover the mirror with the box real quick. But these are beautiful. Ooh. So I'm still not real skilled with cream blushes. Just straight off the bat, like straight out of the gates. Full disclosure, but I'm looking to try to improve at it. So maybe this will be the one that actually gets me to do the thing. So we have that. Actually, why am I putting it in that box? We don't need to keep it in the box. And then the last thing is by Dr. Brandt, and I think this is the most, this is the most expensive item in here. The Dr. Brandt Eye Cream. An eye cream that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. And they claim it's a new launch to Boxycharm. Don't know if it's a new launch, period, just in terms of product, but at least in terms of launching it to Boxycharm, they claim it's a new launch. However, I've noticed a couple times when they've claimed the new to Boxycharm thing, it's technically not true, but that's okay. So let me just see what kind of applicator we got. Because I'm curious. Oh, it's like the little itty bitty. Oh, I love that. Love that. Okay, I'm here for that. So I think overall that was a pretty good box. I'm pretty pleased with that, even if I have a dupe. It's a usable dupe, so I'm not even mad. I'm not even going to relist that, because I'm just going to keep it on hand, especially since, like, eyeliner pens dry out relatively fast, especially when you don't use them every day. They do wear out fast. They wear out faster if you do use them every day, but regardless. That is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.